Introducing the HiBoy DK1 electric dirt bike, designed specifically for young riders aged 3 to 10. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating adventure with this powerful and innovative electric dirt bike. Equipped with a high-strength, shock-absorbing spring in the front and back, the HiBoy DK1 offers a smooth and quiet ride, ensuring comfort and enjoyment for your child. However, the front suspension I found much stiffer than the rear shock and may look at options for replacing the spring strength. Whether it's exploring the backyard or tackling local trails, the HiBoy DK1 delivers exceptional performance. With its 3 speed modes, your child can ride at their preferred pace, starting from 5 miles per hour in low mode, 7.5 miles per hour in medium mode, all the way up to an impressive 15.5 miles per hour in high mode. The electric dirt bike has a variable speed throttle, allowing the child to control their speed within those ranges as well. Here's one of the best parts. The HiBoy DK1 comes with a rechargeable 36-volt sealed lithium battery system. This stock battery provides up to 13 miles of riding excitement. By using a lithium battery over the competitors that are using lead acid, you are getting a lighter bike with more consistent performance stock. I do not have the details yet, but I will be looking also into alternative batteries that might fit the compartment with a higher amp hour to get longer run times. Weighing only 38 pounds, the HiBoy DK1 combines durability with ease of use. Its robust construction can support riders up to 140 pounds, ensuring years of fun and excitement. The HiBoy DK1's 300-watt motor propels young riders to top speeds of 15.5 miles per hour, offering a thrilling experience while maintaining a safe and controlled ride. One of the key advantages of the HiBoy DK1 is its exceptional suspension system. Unlike other electric dirt bikes with rigid frames, this bike's front and back suspension absorbs bumps and shocks, providing a much better experience for your child. No more jarring rides or sore muscles. The HiBoy DK1 allows young riders to fully enjoy their time outdoors, building confidence and exploring their surroundings. HiBoy DK1, creating little joys in little journeys.